Hi guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about iron needs for children ages 14 to 18 years old. Before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you are updated first when I upload new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you say hi and comment below. Let me know of any different nutrition topics you want to learn about. And I want to give a quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. So iron needs in children ages 14 to 18 is 11 milligrams for boys or males and 15 milligrams for females, and during pregnancy 27 milligrams, and lactation or nursing 10 milligrams. So iron needs increase during pregnancy and post-pregnancy, but that'll be a whole nother series. So iron is, again, a critical component to our diets. There are two main sources of iron that we get from our diet, and that is heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is coming from animal sources like chicken, meat, fish, and seafood, and then non-heme iron is plant sources. So that's going to come from whole grains like oatmeal, whole grain pasta, whole wheat bread, whole grain crackers, as well as nuts and seeds and beans and legumes, dark leafy greens, as well as fortified cereals, so dry cereal or even farina or cream of wheat. Those plant sources or those non-heme iron sources require vitamin C in order to be absorbed. And foods rich in vitamin C are cantaloupe, strawberries, red and green peppers, potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, as well as Brussels sprouts and citrus fruits. Iron is a major component of hemoglobin, and hemoglobin helps make up our red blood cells. So what iron does is it attaches oxygen to those red blood cells and helps carry it all throughout the body. Pretty awesome, right? So I would recommend limiting milk to 16 ounces to 24 ounces a day if your children still are drinking milk, just so they can have a nice varied diet full of many nutrients and minerals and vitamins. And if they do drink tea and coffee, limit that or avoid it at meal times, because tea and coffee contain tannins, and that reduces the absorption of iron from our food. So if you are unsure if your children get enough iron, make sure you check with them before starting a multivitamin and mineral supplement. Another tip for you is that low iron can lead to iron deficient anemia, which is a reduction in those red blood cells that carry that oxygen throughout the body, and can lead to both learning and behavioral problems. A quick note is during menstruation. That is why our iron needs are higher in females once they are that age. And I mentioned already with pregnancy as well. But we will talk about pregnancy in another video series. So thanks so much for checking in, and stay tuned for more videos.